Okay, this is how we do the horn samples. Tell them about that truck.
Alrighty, if you want to come over, this is off a 2010 Kenworth T66. And first...
We use GarageBand.
Yeah, GarageBand. Then...
We sell these online
correct.
as well.
I made $25,000 last year itself. So...
Let me step back.
Let me get...
Yeah, this is
So...
not a good looking room, but oh well.
But it's my studio, so... This is how I'm going to show you.
Okay, now, here you go. This is how I usually do it.
Alright, you're going to edit it.
Okay, no, it's gonna be fine.
Okay.
So, usually what we have here is a Kenworth. I don't know.
Kenworth T66.
Okay, so we have the sample. This is my sample. Then we would hit record. We would say the kind of truck it is. So right now it's recording, and we do something like that. Then we just stop it. Then we just title it on YouTube and upload the whole screen recording, and we would do like that and do the screen recording, and that's how we were able to get this all accomplished. So that's a little quick video of how we do these samples.
Correct.
So catch you guys later.